back to Talk Ban Ban by Taya, and with the episode number 3, spaghetti green curry with chicken sauces. It's supposed to be the last episode, which is I'm going to act in Dubai. But today, as episode number 4, I got a special request from my friends. Okay, that for today, I will cook chicken potato soup. And here is our ingredient. This one is the ingredient for potato chicken soup. So let's have a quick look. I have the potato here. Okay, I have carrot here, tomato, minced chicken, which is I marinate with garlic, root coriander, and black pepper. I have chicken Knorr soup here, onion, and tomato. Okay, and I have seasoning here, sugar, black pepper, salt, and soy sauce. And at the end, I'll use coriander for the decoration. So this is our complete soup. So now we are going to serve. Okay, let's have a look.
What?